And today's opening note is actually a little bit of a tip that I use. Now, you hear me talk to a lot of you in some of my answers about be a data scientist. If you really want to be a data scientist, just start. Just get started. Data science is the application of the scientific method. So you can apply that on your own. When part of that is to be a professional in the business. So you should also be keeping up with the business developments and the technology developments that are happening in the business. One of the ways that I do that is I maintain a Google alert. So if you Google Alerts, there's a service that's offered by Google where they will send you an alert, either daily or instantly, whatever you'd like. They will send you an alert to tell you when your keywords have popped up in their articles and job postings and everything, really, everything across the web, everything that they crawl essentially. So I have a Google alert that looks for data science, machine learning, and AI. So any articles, anything that's out there is sent to me on a daily basis. And again, I do this, not just because of my content or because of my personal interest, but because I'm a professional in the business. And if you are a professional, you should be keeping up with news like that. So I would encourage all of you to do the same. When all of you are looking for ways to get started or for project ideas, or people ask me how do you track white papers. This is part of how I do it. You set up an alert for yourself, and then you also have to follow up by reading the alerts and by clicking on the articles that interest you or catch your eye. I think that these are all steps that show your professional development, your professional commitment to the industry, because that way you're demonstrating that you are somebody who wants to stay involved, wants to keep up with the technology side, the business side, the regulation side, right? There's government regulations around data science. So that's my tip to you. I would encourage all of you to do that. You're gonna well, first of all, you should find it fun to keep up with the industry, but you're also going to find more project ideas and more things to develop your career, your entire approach to data science.